Like most people, I'll admit that though I try to wake up early every morning and get things done, sometimes I feel really groggy when I wake up and I'll have a hard time getting out of bed. And when I do get out of bed, I'll have a hard time getting things going because I'll just have really low energy. But recently, I started taking these Total Beets blood pressure support shoes by Spectre, and I've really been feeling the difference. As is in the name, these shoes not only support your blood pressure with the grapeseed extract that it contains, but since its foundation is beetroot extract, it also increases the blood flow and circulation throughout your body, along with the nitric oxide production, which basically means that you're getting more blood flow and oxygen to your muscles, so you're getting more out of your workouts, getting a natural energy boost, and also your neurotransmitters are firing faster, so you're able to think faster. And since it's flavored with acai berries as well, it tastes really great, and it's almost like eating a naturally sweet candy for breakfast, even though it only has 5 grams of sugar. Even though they may seem like a really small thing, these 2 chews in the mornings really give me the energy boost I need to have a productive day ahead of me and have enough energy to just make the most out of every day. And I try to make time to walk 4 miles wearing an 18-pound weight vest on a treadmill most days. So if you're looking for a delicious supplement that's made with all natural ingredients to give you an energy boost in the mornings that you can carry with you throughout the day, that not only supports your blood pressure but your overall cardiovascular health, pick up these Total Beets blood pressure support shoes by Spectre and you're going to be set.